Roughly 50% of men over the age of 50 have an enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia, according to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive Kidney Disease. By the age of 80, nearly 90% of men will live with BPH. Today we will discuss into a topic that affects millions of men, the prostate. Precisely, we will uncover the best foods to combat an enlarged prostate, reduce symptoms, and even lower your risk of prostate cancer. Let's get started. Understanding enlarged prostate. First, let's understand what an enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia is. The prostate is a small gland located below the bladder in men, and it tends to grow as men age. The prostate converts testosterone into another hormone, dihydrotestosterone. High levels of DHT cause the cells in the prostate to enlarge. This growth can lead to uncomfortable symptoms like difficulty urinating, frequent urination, and incomplete bladder emptying. But the good news is that a diet rich in certain vitamins and minerals can help keep your prostate healthy and lower your risk of BPH. Being overweight is another risk factor for developing the condition. So making nutritious food choices is also a great way to lower both your weight and your risk. Research shows that a diet rich in whole fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can improve prostate health and slow its growth. A varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats may support prostate health, slow prostate growth, and reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. Specific foods that may benefit prostate health include oily fish such as salmon and mackerel, cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, vitamin C rich fruits such as oranges and lemons, antioxidant rich fruit and vegetables like tomatoes. Top foods for prostate health. Number 1, tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced risk of prostate cancer. Enjoy them cooked as lycopene is better absorbed when heated. One study saw lycopene slow the progression of BPH in participants. Lycopene also helps lower the prostate-specific antigen connected to prostate inflammation, BPH, and prostate cancer. You can get lycopene in tomatoes, watermelon, apricots, pink grapefruit, and papaya. Number 2, cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale fall into this category. They contain sulforaphane, a compound that may target cancer cells while leaving normal prostate cells healthy and unaffected. Cruciferous vegetables are high in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. Studies suggest that eating cruciferous vegetables can lower inflammation, which is related to your risk of getting prostate cancer. Number 3, green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants including catechins, which have been shown to improve urinary symptoms associated with BPH and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Aim for 1 to 2 cups a day. Number 4, fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and have been linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer. Number 5, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help to protect the prostate gland from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Oxidative stress is what scientists call the incremental damage that builds up over many years. It's caused by free radicals, which are toxin byproducts of metabolism. Antioxidants help to neutralize and remove free radicals from the body. Berries are a great source, particularly strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These fruits offer a powerful antioxidant known as anthocyanins. Number 6, nuts and seeds. Pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial for prostate health due to their high zinc content. Zinc is essential for maintaining a healthy prostate. Zinc that comes from food is easier to absorb than zinc supplements. Help your body by snacking on sesame seeds, almonds, and pumpkin seeds that are high in zinc. Brazil nuts, another great option, providing selenium, another mineral that support prostate health. Number 7, legumes and soy. Beans, lentils, and soy products like tofu contain phytoestrogens which may help prevent prostate cancer. These plant-based proteins also support overall health and weight management. Alongside a healthy diet, regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and staying hydrated are crucial for managing an enlarged prostate and reducing cancer risk. Some strategies that may ease BPH symptoms include managing stress, quitting smoking, avoiding foods in the evening to reduce nighttime urination, emptying the bladder completely when urinating, doing pelvic floor exercises, avoiding medication that can worsen symptoms such as antihistamines, diuretics, and decongestants if possible. Trying bladder training exercises, limiting fluid intake to 2 liters of liquids each day. Also consider regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor your prostate health. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these foods can support your prostate health and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Stay healthy and take care.